606 species in genus POA. The world of POA, a grass lover's perspective. My name is Ferdvu, and I'm fascinated by the genus POA from the Poaceae family. It might seem odd to be passionate about something as commonplace as grass, but POA isn't just any grass. It's a diverse and vital group of plants that plays a crucial role in our ecosystems and even our leisure activities. POA, derived from the Greek word for fodder, encompasses a vast array of species, commonly known as meadowgrass, bluegrass, tussock, or speargrass, depending on where you are in the world. These grasses are predominantly found in temperate regions, blanketing meadows, lawns, and even harsh alpine environments. Why POA matters. What captivates me most about POA is its remarkable adaptability and ecological significance. These grasses are incredibly hardy, capable of thriving in various conditions, from well-manicured lawns to windswept mountain slopes. This resilience makes them a cornerstone species in many habitats, providing food and shelter for a wide range of animals, from tiny insects to grazing mammals. Moreover, POA plays a crucial role in soil stabilization, preventing erosion and promoting healthy ecosystems. Its dense root systems form a robust network that holds the soil together, mitigating the impact of wind and rain. This characteristic makes POA an essential component in land reclamation and erosion control efforts. Diving into diversity, POA species. The genus POA boasts an impressive diversity, with over 600 recognized species. Each species possesses unique characteristics, adapting to specific environments and ecological niches. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Beyond the green, human uses of POA. Beyond its ecological importance, POA has a long history of human use. For centuries, various POA species have been utilized for livestock grazing, providing essential fodder for domesticated animals. The nutritional value and palatability of these grasses make them a valuable resource for agriculture and animal husbandry. Furthermore, POA plays a significant role in recreation and leisure. Its use in lawns and sports fields provides us with spaces for relaxation, sports, and social gatherings. The soft, resilient turf of Kentucky bluegrass, for instance, creates an ideal surface for golf courses, football fields, and parks, enhancing our quality of life. The future of POA. As our climate changes and human impact on the environment intensifies, the resilience and adaptability of POA become even more critical. Understanding the diverse characteristics of different POA species is crucial for developing sustainable land management practices, conserving biodiversity, and mitigating the effects of climate change. Researchers continue to explore the genetic diversity of POA, seeking to unlock its potential for developing improved cultivars with enhanced drought tolerance, disease resistance, and nutritional value. These efforts hold the key to ensuring the continued ecological and economic importance of POA in a changing world. In conclusion, the genus POA represents a remarkable group of grasses that plays a vital role in our planet's ecosystems and human societies. Its diversity, adaptability, and ecological significance make it a subject of ongoing fascination and research. As we continue to learn more about POA, we can better appreciate its value and harness its potential for a sustainable future.